Hello, I'm Lucinda, a trainer at Acuity Training Limited. I teach Excel, and this short video is to help you decide which level is right for you. This clip is about our Excel Essentials level. This is for the user who has never used Excel before and wants to learn the basic skills required, like formulas, formatting, and how to use the program to a basic level. I'm going to be showing you today an area of this course, which is how to fill in Excel, and it's a special type of filling called extraction, and this is on our Excel Essentials class. Let's look at extracting with Flash Fill. To start with, I need some data which I'd like to extract from. Here I have a list of our members. I would like to extract into B column maybe their last names, and what I need to do is to give Excel a model for this. So I've just typed in last names as a title, which it doesn't need to work, this feature. And I'm going to tell Excel that I'd like to extract the name Wilson from the left hand side here. I'm going to click underneath now into B3, and I'm going to come up to my Home tab, which is already selected, across to my editing group and to my fill command. And as you notice in my fill command, in 2013 version upwards, I see a new feature called Flash Fill. And this is how we extract data. If I click on Flash Fill, I've modelled to Excel already that I'd like the last name Wilson to come across, and it's repeating that pattern all the way down, as you can see there. Maybe in C, we'd like the member's initials. And again, I'm going to model to Excel exactly what I'd like it to do. And I'm going to show Excel that I'd like the initials from the first and last name. Clicking underneath into C3, up to the editing group of the home ribbon, fill and Flash Fill. And we can see again the initials coming down. We can also do a more complex Flash Fill extraction. I might want to pull out of my address items here, address entries here, the city, for example. And I'm going to type the model, which is Brighton. We can see Brighton sits here. And notice that all of our addresses are the same format: street, comma, city, comma, and zip. Street, comma, city, comma, and zip. So I've modelled to Excel what I'd like to come out of this entry here, which is Brighton. Clicking underneath, Home tab, Editing group, Fill command, and Flash Fill. As you can see, I've modelled what I want Excel to do, and it's the second part of this address entry. We've got South Melbourne, Bentley, and Ascot Vale coming in there. So this is showing you data extraction with Flash Fill in Excel version 2013 upwards. And this is one of many areas that you'd look at on the Excel Essentials class here at Acuity Training. If this is something you're interested in and you'd like to book a place, then do go straight to www.acuitytraining.co.uk. I really hope you've enjoyed this short intro to Excel Essentials and data extraction with Flash Fill. If we can help you any further, please do give us a call on 01483 688 488, shown at the bottom of your screen there. And thank you for listening. Bye.